Tired of proposals that blend into the background instead of making a slam dunk? Today, we're unlocking the secrets to crafting proposals that not only get noticed, but get approved. All within the powerful platform of Pandadoc will transform your sales documents from ordinary to exceptional by focusing on compelling content and strategic design. Step 1: organization is key before you even open Pandadoc. Map out your client's needs and how your service is the perfect solution. Think about their pain points and highlight where you shine. In Pandadoc, start by choosing a professional template that aligns with your brand. Don't underestimate the power of a clean, well-structured design. It immediately builds credibility. Step 2: compelling content. This is where you articulate your value proposition instead of just listing features. Focus on benefits. Paint a picture for your client of the positive outcomes they'll achieve by partnering with you. Use strong, action-oriented language. Leverage Pandadoc's content library to reuse pre-written sections that have proven effective. This ensures consistency and saves you time. Remember to tailor these sections specifically to address the client's unique situation. Step 3: highlight your offerings. Clearly use Pandadoc's intuitive tools to create clear pricing tables, service breakdowns, and project timelines. Visual aids like product images or testimonials can significantly boost persuasiveness. Personalization is crucial. Add the client's company logo and refer to them by name. This shows you've done your homework and are invested in their success. Step 4: visually appealing documents. Pandadoc allows you to easily adjust fonts, colors, and layouts to create a visually striking proposal that stands out from the competition. A professional and attractive design reflects the quality of your services. And finally, the call to action. Make it crystal clear what you want the client to do next, whether it's signing, scheduling a call, or making a payment. Guide them effortlessly towards the next step by following these steps within Pandadoc. You'll elevate your proposals from ordinary to exceptional, increasing your chances of closing deals.